Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you my dashboard. I'm going to show you exactly what I mean, and I'm going to also show you how it looks and how you can work around it. So basically what I'm going to show you is how you can list your property on Airbnb and where you don't have to list each individual room. Okay, so let me go in and show you. So this is what I've got. Now I look after a lot of listings on Airbnb, so don't get worried by the amount of listings you see here. Now when I talk about instant book, this is it. Basically Airbnb have always been just like many other rental sites where you have to have a reservation, go into the host will then accept or deny it. So let me just quickly show you the different types of listings that we have. So right now what you're looking at is the granaries bed and breakfast room. So one of the many, we've got 14 rooms. Out of those 14, 8 of them are double rooms. We've also got cottages, so we've got here, and that's why we're two totally separate listings. So by basically, and if I can come in and preview it, there we go. So instead of listing each of these individually, what I've done is I've just done one room. Now where I see a lot of people fall down on Airbnb is where when they're creating their listing, they put everything in here. What you got to do, you list it as one, okay? And when it comes to the back end and you've got the